My family's run this farm for generations, but it gets harder every year. You see, Washington politicians are talking about a brand new tax on unrealized gains. If it impacted me, it would make me pay taxes on the increased value of my family farmland every year, even if I never sell 1 acre. But what doesn't make sense, I would have to sell some of my land just to pay the taxes on that same land. They're calling it a wealth tax. To me, it doesn't matter what they call it. Taxing unrealized gains is a bad idea that hurts family-owned farms and businesses like mine.